Sana I believe him. I believe in and understand guys why she's mad. I understand why she's mad, guys. I understand why people are mad. Like, when you're outside and then there's like people inside and you can't even get in. Like, have you ever had that situation? Like where people are inside and are having fun inside, people are leaving, people are just like having fun, and then you're outside and then you're heading from outside, you can't even get in. You can't even get in. I'd be mad too. Like I'd be fucking mad too. I'd be fucking mad too, guys. I'd be fucking mad too. I'd be fucking mad too, guys. I'd be fucking mad too. Onomsa is people like Abomini. You see people like Abomini. It's people like Abomini. You can't do anything about people like that. Honestly. She's a fake account. She is a fake account. Oh, she's a 2.0 guy, like a mini 2.0. She's a mini 2.0. And I can't do so here again. Yo guys, I'm not team Simala to Papa. What if Nomsa is actually husband using the fake account? Yeah, not far from him. Not far from him. It's not far from him. Guys. But you know what, guys? I feel like people like Abonoms, guys, like I said, life in as fun. In life as fun, guys. You know. And I'm just one of them. I happen to be one of them. I full time, guys. You know, I'm just one of them. Like izinto ezinhle ziyandizela. You know. So anyway, without a degree graduating, I ban. I don't want degree because this is a song. But nobody sends a song. Nobody sends a song, guys. Honestly, the way you are also concerned, I need believe in it. I need believe, guys. I need believe. And then I'm a God's child. I'm a God's child. You know. In the way to why does it bother? The thing is, they don't believe about Koleon. By Bawel, I'm sure. By Bawel. Allow installation in edgy. Dizekili edgy. I think you could have focused on, you know what, Nana, hence I say there's time for everything and anything. So if I had to start BM, then since guys you all want to know this much about this degree, I'm left with one elective. honestly. I'm left with one elective that I was supposed to write, but I couldn't write, you know. So I'm left with one elective, hence I'm chilled, I'm not even bothered. But when you are left with one elective, you can actually go to law school. I'm sure people that studied law, they know this. You can go to law school and do your thingies, you know. You can go to law school, uyoqalisa i-boards zakho, but it's just that I don't want to go this year. I feel like ndifuna uyenza yonke kakuhle next year. Ndifuna uyenza yonke kakuhle next year. This year I don't want to do anything that's like gonna make me work hard. Since you want to know,
Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to SNS Kisana. Apho sithange indaba zabantu singabuzwanga. Yo nkosi yami. Ayishem. Inhliziyo yami it goes to Annelisiwe Shangane. Abantu abamnikeza break. Yo. So apparently sisters was live and wabeke ethetha. So there is this person that is called Unomsa who is stalking Annelisiwe, sending her messages on Instagram. So she came live kesana ePhambenero yabo kulapha ke wabe sekethulula izinto khona apha xila khona ukuthi how people are mad at her because she walked away from that toxic marriage apho abebethwa khona lamfana uliqwetha. And she now said girls are actually mad now that angesekho yena kulaa mtshato and 40 bembona happy. Bembona happy. They are mad that yena uzenzela i-LLB yakhe and soon uzabe eliqwetha. So abantu they were asking her ubani basana kunini ufunda uqaba nini khange sicela ii-pictures ze-graduation. Ninesibindi eSouth Africa sicela ii-pictures ze-graduation and she was like guys ndiqaba nini njani ndingekagqibi ukufunda ndishekelwe i-elective module A1 and even so uba bendifuna guys bendinoya ukuthi law school yabo but it's not that bantu detain andifuna uzenzela i-pressure too much. And abantu sana they were so unkind shem kwa-Annelisiwe. And kukho this I was at Amanda Asanda that was also asking on which is people that were on live uba sana su acting athi xa uyenze i-law u-acting athi sowuliqwetha. awuloqwetha sana. Yo ngaze ngavele ndiskrime and I'm like yo asana niyamvurvayo umntana bantu. What do you guys think about this? And ke ngoku sana guys yo ii-pictures apho bemorekiswa khona ebethwa ngulaa bhuti wayitshate naye. Wo guys apha atshisa khona iimpahla zakhe and all of that. And also laa bhuti kuthiwa ugeza umstoka kule ndawo akuyo ngoku. Yo sana. And uthi yena uAnnelisiwe abantu bayabuza uba why ungafaki lo mntu support, and then she's saying I'm not gonna faka umntu support indoda indala ezazi and lo mntu liqwetha uzamenephila yonke le nto le. Guys qhubekekani ke nizibukele nantsi clip enye elandelayo.
The girlfriends, it's not girlfriend, it's girlfriends. It's gonna be nice now because they're outside. As soon as they go inside, go.
Going outside.
Guys, kuta manshushu. Kuta manshushu zelo. Does he support the kids? Imali ndithukelwayo le ndithukwa ngayo apha ukuthi mna uthi ndidesperate for imali yakhe 2000. 2000 doesn't even make a difference in my life. The money that I spend on groceries, the money that I spend on electricity, the money that I spend on rent, you know, it's not even like 2000. And that's the money I pay chapping. And that's the money I pay chapping 2000, honestly. Lanes woman zo took up on Instagram. 2000.
2000. First was me.
2,000 rand, 2,000. 1, 2, 3, 2,000 le ndiyithukelwayo apha mna. 2,000 rand. 2,000 rand. When he's making sure everyone is fine in his life, because kaloku ufuna kuthiwe unglo mntu, you know, but his own. Asanda. No, guys, I will never take anyone to maintenance court. Honestly, I don't have that time, you know. And I will never spend my money on legal fees. My money I want to spend with my kids, honestly. I make sure that my bills are paid. I'm buying what I want when I want to. That's what I want to do with my money. I will never take anyone to maintenance, especially I'm not that knows what he's supposed to do. I will never. You know, I will never. Angeke mina ngiyobhala do you know how much legal fees indlela ezikhosta ngayo? Yazi legal fees bazikhosta njani? Is a lawyer, so he knows how to ask none. Amagqwetha, as if you've seen them, if you've ever dealt with them, like by a frustrator. So I'm frustrated. I also see court, guys, and then the legal fees. That's what took a ghost account. You know, there's nothing that you can do for me that I cannot do for myself. You know, that was my last message to him.